Okay, so Jake got the car back from Oklahoma last night, middle of the night. So I think it's what is it, March the 1st? And we should be racing in Houston, March the 16th. So cross your fingers. Here we go. So we started assembling the engine plate and going to be assembling the headers and all the supporting hardware onto that motor and getting it ready to load over in the car. We've got to. I think we're gonna have some. I think we're gonna get it done. I feel like we're gonna make it. I
Hopefully that was the only one.
yeah.
I'm good? I'm safe?
Oh yeah. You won't be decapitated. It's not by me. I don't see what's wrong with having still. I'm not a boomer just because I put still photos in my video.
It's just something that's done by boomers. It's just a thing.
Yeah, you hear that? You hear that? Listen to him. There he is, right there. That's the one you're looking for, boomers. Get a lot of work done. I think we got to be able to enter it into street cruise, don't you think?
We are definitely going to run out of gas and forget about it. Jacob's gonna go up to the line and the car is gonna not start. I bet you $5 that's gonna happen on this 2K trip.
Alright, let's not spill it.